All right, so today we're going to talk about carbon. And carbon is probably the most, or at least one of the top three most important elements in chemistry and in real life. I mean, there's literally a whole entire type of chemistry surrounding it. But carbon is a nonmetal, and I think this is the perfect time to talk about covalent network solids and molecular solids. So, molecular solids are molecules that are held together by intermolecular forces. They're soft, malleable, and have low melting and boiling points. And a good example of this is water. Meanwhile, covalent network solids have their molecules connected by covalent bonds, which makes it incredibly difficult to break, melt them, and just basically just separate the bonds. An example of a covalent network solid is a diamond. It's a carbon that's bonded with tons of other carbons. And graphite, which is shown here, which is depicted here, it's kind of like a weird mix between a molecular solid and a covalent network solid. As you can see, these longer connections here are intermolecular forces between between two carbon atoms, and sorry, and here we can see like all the carbons are bonded together, which shows characteristics of a covalent network solid. So it's kind of a weird child. It's like kind of like the weird, the weird the weird duck of the weird duckling, ugly duckling of the group. And here we also have some organic chemistry functional groups. We have things like alcohols, ethers, carboxylic acids, esters, aldehydes, ketones, amines, and amides. And here are what they actually look like. And here we have some examples of them. And since I don't want this video to go on forever, because there's so much to talk about with carbon, we're just gonna cut off here and stop this recording.